If you're a Galaxy S24 user eagerly waiting for the stable One UI 7 update, I've got some disappointing news for you. According to a reliable tipster, the update isn't arriving today, or even this week. Let's dive into the details of what's happening and why Samsung is delaying the release. So, today marks the official store availability date of the Galaxy S25 series, and many people assumed that Samsung would also roll out the stable One UI 7 update for the Galaxy S24 series. But S24, a well-known Samsung tipster, has just dropped a reality check. He says that the stable version of One UI 7 is still a long way off. Instead of a stable rollout, Samsung is currently releasing Beta 4 of One UI 7 for the Galaxy S24 series. This means that users will have to wait even longer for the final polished version. According to S24, the main reason behind this delay is a major issue found in the previous beta. Apparently, the third beta of One UI 7 had a serious color calibration issue, causing the display on Galaxy S24 devices to look off. Some users noticed a yellowish tint, which wasn't ideal. Thankfully, Samsung has now addressed this problem with the fourth beta update. However, as we all know, Samsung usually takes at least a week between the final beta and the stable release. This means that even if the Beta 4 update is rolling out now, the stable One UI 7 release for the Galaxy S24 series won't be happening for at least another week or even longer. Meanwhile, Galaxy S25 users don't have to worry about this issue at all. The new flagship phones come with One UI 7 pre-installed, giving them a smoother experience right out of the box. And yes, it might feel unfair at Galaxy S24 users who expected to receive the update today. But honestly, I'd rather Samsung fix critical bugs before rushing the release. We've seen many companies push out updates prematurely, only to end up with frustrating issues. Samsung previously hinted that One UI 7 would roll out to older devices by the end of March, at least in Korea. While this delay might not necessarily affect that timeline, it's hard to say for sure. If more issues arise during the beta testing phase, Samsung may need extra time to iron out the final version. Now let's talk about what makes One UI 7 such an exciting update. Samsung is introducing a bunch of new features and refinements that will significantly improve the user experience. Some of the highlights include a fresh new design with more dynamic icons and an updated notification panel, the introduction of the Now bar, which makes navigation even smoother, potential camera enhancements with some Galaxy S25 camera features trickling down to older models, various small but meaningful UI changes that enhance the overall usability of the system. If you're curious about how One UI 7 stacks up against the previous version, make sure to check out our One UI 6.1 vs One UI 7.0 comparison video linked in the description. So when exactly will Galaxy S24 users get the stable One UI 7 update box? And if you're a Galaxy S24 user, hang in there. Your update is coming soon, just not as soon as we initially hoped. Let me know in the comments, are you excited about One UI 7 or are you frustrated by the delay? I'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today's video. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 GB as standard, with 512 GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for For the S25 Ultra, exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.